Thank you for choosing the iTouch Sure Pelvic Floor Exerciser from TENS Care. This series of videos will discuss the problems of stress, urge and mixed incontinence and explain how you can manage, improve and even overcome the problem using the exerciser and additional Kegel exercises. Incontinence is much more common than you might think. It affects nearly 1 in 4 women between the ages of 18 and 70, so you're not alone. It occurs most often as a result of weakening of the pelvic floor muscles, which can happen for various reasons, especially pregnancy and childbirth and the natural effects of ageing. The good news is that these muscles react very well to the correct stimulation and, like any muscle, with regular exercise, will get stronger and stay strong. The iTouch Sure Pelvic Floor Exerciser is very simple to use and highly effective. Using the exerciser, especially in conjunction with the Kegel exercises described later on, will provide the majority of women with a significant improvement in the management of their incontinence and a strong possibility of overcoming the problem entirely. And having one less thing to worry about will no doubt improve the quality of your life. Before using the exerciser, please read the instruction manual carefully, especially the precautions and warnings. Incorrect use may not provide for optimal benefit and could cause some discomfort.